got the breakfast. And that's a proper breakfast. Haha! Love it. The bike is parked behind the hedge. Really good place to stay. Private waterfall. I'm ready to start. It's another day. It looks really warm, but it's so. Anyway, around 12 degrees at the moment, but it's starting to be warm in the sun. We'll see when I will be riding, but I'm ready to go, so see you later. But before I will start for good, let's take a look on the map. As you can see, I started from Machynlleth and then I went up north. That was the plan. I found this road through the forest to Corrin, I think that's the right pronunciation, or maybe not. But it was really good and promising road. As on the map, it looks like white road, single track maybe, no idiots in the cars. Brilliant! I love single tracks. So here we are, I'm already on this road and it looks really good for now. Nice, isn't it? To be honest, this road is absolutely magnificent. I'm alone there, that's the most important thing. There is no cars, no other human beings. And that's why I love it. And it's also really foresty, which I love as well. Just look at that. I know, it's not maybe like Alps, it's not mind-blowing, but it's still gorgeous. Look at that. Could be my house. And I'm back on the main road and you can see it on the map where I'm exactly heading. Now I'm in Aberdyfi, however to pronounce it, I'm not sure about it, but never mind that, there will be something interesting here, so just wait a second. So I went through here. Then I went this road. It's really nice, this part especially. But I found this bit here. And this bit here is really cool. Let me show you that. This is called Panarama Walk. And almost no one is turning here. So you need to turn to the Church Street, then you need to went up the hill. So that is wrong. I haven't been here. Never mind. I went somewhere through there, but later on this road up here is starting to be an off-road. I'm not even sure if you can pass it there, but never mind, and let's just check it out. I think it's brilliant, that view, so I stopped to take a few pictures. It's gorgeous. I mean my bike. On a serious note though, it's absolutely beautiful there. It was so gorgeous that I stopped again soon and I decided to fly a drone, because it was really worth it. It was absolutely awesome stop. I spent half an hour here. It's time to go to another place and go back, and you will see some lovely places when I turn around. And now I'm going back to the main road, and then I will be heading towards Barmouth. So for a change I will be on the main roads for a while, but obviously main roads doesn't mean motorways or anything similar. Just the local, slightly bigger roads, not single tracks. You will see that. But in the meantime, let's enjoy the views from this smashing small road. Sorry, what I was talking about? Ah, views. Yeah, the views. The views are amazing. Yeah, but I really mean that. So, what do you think about it? I think it's really brilliant. But never mind that, and let's jump straight to the main road. And to the bloody traffic. Yeah. I have to say that this piece of road is absolutely fantastic as well. Just look at those views on that tarmac and those corners. Everything is absolutely smashing. And what is quite obvious, I had to stop because those views were so gorgeous that I had to film it and take a few snapshots, which I obviously did later on. Look at those mountains there. I think it's really gorgeous. But it's Snowdonia in the background, what you can see right now, and it's absolutely smashing. Also the colors of the water, incredible. I really loved it. It's unbelievable actually. So I took the picture, as I said. And one more, and actually off we go. Yeah, the landscapes are fantastic, but amongst them there is plenty of fantastic, interesting buildings. Yeah, and also landscapes. Truly amazing. This town I turned right, and this is really small road. See, I turned right here. This is really small, narrow, single track, and I went up to that lake, Longbeard, or whatever the pronunciation in Welsh is. Never mind that. And at this stage I decided also to turn right here, and I'm slightly off the track which I showed you on the map, because there was some waterfall sign and I tried to look for that waterfall. And at this stage I think it's enough for today, as otherwise this video would be just much too long, like 30 minutes or something. So instead I decided to split it into two parts, and that's enough for today, and the next video will be coming next weekend. I hope so. So, for now, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, give me thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it so far. See ya!